Drug overdose numbers soaring as the pandemic looms over St. Louis City.
And some of this drug use is happening in broad daylight in St. Louis. The Urban League of Metropolitan St. Louis says they're tackling an open-air drug market in this North City neighborhood. It's a section of the city where selling and using drugs happens out in the open. One of the hotbeds is here on Grand and Montgomery.
And tonight, News 4's Ashley Lincoln is live for us, digging into how the city is trying to save struggling addicts. Ashley.
That's right, Sam. We do know what this open air drug market is happening in broad daylight on busy streets. To provide some perspective, right now we're right in front of the fabulous Fox Theater, and just a half a mile north of Grand is where one of the busiest open air drug markets sits.
I'm struggling with an addiction, and I want better.
Lewis Henry is a St. Louis native. He's college educated, but also homeless, struggling with a heroin addiction.
No one woke up today and wanted to be a drug addict.
He's one of hundreds on St. Louis streets participating in what's called an open-air drug market,
where drugs are bought and sold and used during the daytime, nighttime, all the time. 24/7.
This is every day, maybe 3, 4, 5 times a day.
Rhonda Johnson with the Urban League is intervening, hoping to slow down drug usage and overdoses. This is being done through the organization's Division of Public Safety.
So it's more overdoses than gun violence.
The Urban League is working in the heart of one of the city's busiest drug areas, providing Narcan, drug prevention resources, and health care screenings once a week. Last May, News 4's cameras caught this man who OD'd at a bus stop near North Florissant and St. Louis Avenue. St. Louis Fire responded, giving the man Narcan and reviving him. So far, the organization have served nearly 2,000 users.
They're usually hanging out right there on Grand and Montgomery.
Johnson says overdoses related to opioid abuse spiked in the last year. In 2019, overdose deaths made up 17%. In 2020, that number jumped to 33%.
It's very overwhelming, but I'm out here, so I see it and I understand and I know it's true.
It's terrifying to sit and watch a friend of mine die.
Henry, who lives out of a vacant home in North City, says every day he sees the toll drugs takes on others.
I've noticed it has increased dramatically due to the fact that, we're going through a problem, and the pandemic made things worse.
And we also found out from the Urban League that they've been able to help more than 90 individuals get connected to rehabilitation services. Again, they are out here in these communities at least one day a week, serving both the Jeff Vanderloop community and the Kings Highway East neighborhood. Reporting live tonight, Ashley Lincoln, News 4.